Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 568, and today I am going to discuss the fruits and vegetables which are taking care of ulcer and gastritis, means gas problem. There are some vegetables and fruits which are very much helpful in your digestive system. This stomach disorder that is called ulcer means hyperacidity, and gastritis means it is your gastric problem. So papaya is one of them, pineapple, and some green vegetables and whole grain. They are very good for our digestive system. And pineapple is super among all because pineapple is delicious and very rich in nutrients as well as several enzymes. Pineapple fruit's origin goes to South America. It is a tropical fruit. And the word pine came from Pinacone, European world, means such type of fruits which are protecting themselves by sowing pine so that animals cannot eat, and from that the name came pine apple. And the botanical name is Ananas. It is very rich in antioxidants, polyphenolics, flavonoids, and it is stomach friendly. Actually, pineapple is used to take as a salad or a smoothie before starting our lunch or dinner. It is very popular on breakfast table. People take as a salad, and in Greece it is popular. This salad is mixed with yogurt and it is used on dining table. This is very rich in lot of vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin A, B complexes, and it is rich in mineral, that is your potassium, magnesium, calcium, and it is very powerful anti-inflammatory. Why? Because it is very rich in enzymes, and the most important enzyme, the latest research publication shows that it contains bromelain. That bromelain is a very important enzyme, and that is very powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. That is swelling, and it is also antioxidant, and this one is recommended for those people who have undergone surgery to take this fruit because it is powerful inflammatory fruit. So whatever swelling or inflammation you are having, muscular inflammation, by taking this fruit, at least it will suppress and it will relieve you from muscular pain. This fruit is also very much helpful to those people who are having rheumatoid or osteoarthritis because it is containing very powerful anti-inflammatory enzyme, that is bromelain. And bromelain is just like substitute of protease, and this enzyme is so important that it will break down the complex molecule of protein into amino acid, and that amino acid will be again broken down, hydrolyzed into simple dipeptide or tripeptide, simplest molecule. That's why it is very good for your digestive system. Also, it helps in improving your ulceration, those who are suffering from hyperacidity as well as from gastric problem. And thirdly, this enzyme is so important that those people who are suffering from some pancreatic problem, means though where the pancreas is not very efficiently working and they are not getting enough insulin or pancreatic juice, so it can substitute that one and it can help in that condition. So that's why this is very important in terms of lot of enzymes. So this is one of the super fruit in terms of its nutritional value, because it is very rich in enzymes, packed with antioxidants and very powerful anti-inflammatory enzymes. And these pineapples, they are very good for our children, those who are in adolescent age, means teenagers, because it can improve drastically their immune system. And also today, where we are fighting coronavirus disease, that is called COVID-19, where our immune system plays very, very important role. And this fruit, that is pineapple, can help a lot. So here, this pineapple, the botanical name is Ananas commosus, and it belongs to family Bromeliaceae. Number one, it is packed with enzymes and that can fight inflammation and disease. Because of this property, it is good for post-surgery recovery. That I have already told you that this is the best fruit for those people who have undergone surgery and they are having lot of muscle swelling or inflammation of muscles, and once they take this pineapple fruit, it can help them. Number two, pineapple is stomach friendly. It's a very stomach friendly because of the presence of lot of enzymes as well as anti-inflammatory compounds, and they are also in the form of enzymes. That's why this one is used as a, we call it aperitify, means it can prepare the stomach for your meal, and that is called aperitif. Aperitif means before taking lunch or dinner, people will take some few pieces of pineapple so that it can improve their appetite. And it contains vitamins, that is 131% of RDA, that is your requirement for daily allowance, and that I have calculated on the basis of 200 gram. In 200 gram, these are the percentage it is having. So it is very rich in vitamin C, that is 131% RDA, with B6 9% of RDA, niacin 4% of RDA, riboflavin 3% of RDA, and pantothenic acid 4% of RDA. And the minerals are potassium, copper, magnesium, and iron. And contains disease fighting oxidants also. Disease fighting oxidants means all the flavonoids and vitamin C and those enzymes, they are powerful antioxidant as well as anti-inflammatory. Number four, it is very important, it's very important enzyme, and I have already told you, known as bromelain. Recently I have gone through a lot of research papers, and it is the recent discovery that out of all the packed enzymes, the super one is, that is called bromelain, and that bromelain is the substitute. So what I was telling you, that out of these enzymes, the research papers, the publication, they show that the very important one, that is called bromelain, and this bromelain is just like protease, means those enzymes which are responsible of breaking down of your protein molecules into amino acid, and then that amino acid will be again broken down into simple monodipeptides. That's why it is very good for digestive system. Protease, which breaks down into protein, it helps the people with pancreatic insufficiency, and also those people who are having some problem of pancreatic efficiency, means where pancreas is not releasing enough insulin or pancreatic juice, it can substitute with its enzyme. So it is very good for those people who are having the problem of pancreas. It is very good for those people who are having some stomach disorder, means gastric problem, gastritis, or hyperacidity, that is ulcer. And number 6, it boosts immunity, good for children against viral and bacteria. That's why this pineapple, because it is packed with lot of antioxidant, and it will reduce the oxidative stress drastically, and because of that it is very good for those people who have the tendency of formation of multiplication of cancer cells. And this is also very good fruit for those people who are having cancer, so that they can reduce the multiplication of cancer cells, because it can help to reduce the oxidative stress, means it will clear a lot of free radicals which are produced in our body. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.